In this video, I'm going to explain to you how and why I am confident that AI is not, they're not going to take over your jobs. And it all revolves around this Creality Falcon A1 laser engraver. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, welcome back everybody. And Creality Falcon asked me if I wanted to have one of these. I wanted to play with it on camera. So of course I said yes. And I say of course because there it is. Now this is it's a laser thing. I did an unboxing video, but I haven't put it out yet. I'm not sure if I will. You know, if you want to see the unboxing video and the setup, let me know and I'll put it up. But I figured we just get to it. Show off the machine a little bit and cut our first project with it. And if anybody's wondering, I have the exhaust on this machine. I don't have a window here, so I got it going into the stove with the damper open. Before we get into the projects, let's take a step back and see how we ended up here, and then we'll move on to why AI is not going to take your jobs. Here's my first project. I used chat. Well, let's not say what I used, but I think you know what I used to create. I used it to create this file, and then I burned it through. So there's the first piece that I've made with the Falcon A1, and then after that we set up the machine, and I told the chat program I wanted to make a tool organizer. Now this is the reason that that I say AI is not going to take over your job. Alright, this is my first. That came with the machine. It was software that you get online. Those are the tests on that other piece that I made there. We did some calibrations. We tried to do some sockets. What I wanted to do was, and you can see it right there, I wanted to do socket organizers. Can't see it. Maybe that's better. So there's our test piece. We have nice square holes for the sockets. Huge board. I told it no, I don't want a huge board. I want it small. All of them have to fit in the drawer. I spent 4 full days telling this idiot computer program what I wanted. So it says, yes, I understand, and here's your new file. Copy. Couldn't copy it. I had to put bottom panel on that. I don't know why, but there's a piece there. Here's the next attempt. It looks like crap. Here's the cutout from the. I told it I wanted 4 spacers. I got 6, and they're half the size they should be. So there's attempt number 2. And we got on to attempt number 3, which I had to go in and tweak. And I made this before I realized that my nice square socket holes had been turned round by the AI, which I think stands for asinine intellect. So anyway, there's that. I actually glued that all up, and then I realized not only are these round, and not what I told it to make. The numbers are off. So nothing fit in that. We got the final project here, which I have never used this software before, this Falcon software. So it took me a little bit, but I managed to move the squares around. We got the square holes back. You can't really read it because they sent me walnut to play with, which is fine, but you can't. I mean, the numbers are there, but they're a little bit hard to read. I don't think you can see them better that way. They're a little hard to read. But, here's the finished product. The first, if you don't include that little one, which was just to play around. Here's the first actual project, and I think it came out pretty good. If you want this file, I'll send it to you. I mean, it's not nothing fancy, it's not big. Um, it cuts the spacers out as well. This came out of this template. This piece of wood here. I made the spacers thicker and the 4 that I wanted, and I recentered everything. I couldn't get, there wasn't enough room for the numbers in here, but if you look at the socket, they're all laying straight up in your face anyway, so these you'd have to pick up and look. So I put the numbers in the board. But if you want this file, it's available for members, channel members. So if you want it, become a channel member. There's different tiers. I don't care which one you pick. I'll put your name on the screen as a thank you. And if you want the file, just shoot me an email and I will send it to you. So that's one of many projects that I think we're going to do. And here's the cutouts. From my cutout to the AI cutout. 4 days. Change this. Okay. Here's a, would you like to see this? Would you like to see this? Would you like to see this? No, I just want you to make the freaking file so I can go on with my life. 4 days of this to get to this point, and I had to draw it. So if you think AI is going to take your designing your desk job, it ain't going to be any time soon, because it could not handle this simple request. I have these sockets. I want an organizer. I want it this size. I want the short ones standing up. I want the long ones laying down. And it asked me the same questions over and over and over, and produced crap over and over and over. I'm on the fence if I want to do the. I have more sockets in non-communist than I do communist sockets, so I'm not sure they'll all fit on the board. I might have to. The next board might be all these, and then a third board with the standard laying down sockets, and then I have the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch as well. So we'll see if we keep going. This is a really, really cool machine. I'm going to put some footage in right after this, so don't go away. I'm going to put in footage of this running. I've been dealing with issues with YouTube Music, so I think it's just going to be the machine running. And I intended to put music on it, but after last night's problem with YouTube being a phallic item, I don't think it's worth the effort. So let me know what you think. Throw a comment in there. I do have the rotary tool. I have not tried that yet. From what I understand, you have to. It came with a box of legs. These, I didn't know what these were, but apparently they go under the machine, and you can raise it up different heights for what you want. And you screw the foot unscrews and goes on there, and then that stands in there. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool concept. I was wondering how. I was absolutely baffled by how I was going to get this inside here, but I did a little digging. The instructions that come with this are not good, so YouTube is your friend there, or any of the search engines. So let me know what you think. Put a comment, and here's the footage of it running. Okay, not such a graceful dismount, but we're getting there. Oh my god. Okay. What did he make? What did he make? Got one of these things. It actually cut all the way through this time. That's good. Got one of these things. Got a bunch of these. We got a bunch of these. And one thing I did read in the book said you got to clean the lens right after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get under it with a cloth and give it a little butt wipe. Get the rest of these out of here just so I don't have to deal with them later.